What's the meaning of civil engineering? Civil engineering. Civil engineering.
Civil engineering. Civil engineering. Civil engineering is a branch of engineering that focuses on the design, construction, and maintenance of projects related to public works, such as roads, bridges, buildings, and water and sewage systems. The goal of civil engineering is to create infrastructure that improves societal well-being and facilitates economic growth, while also protecting the environment. Civil engineers apply scientific principles and mathematical analysis to design structures that are safe, efficient, and sustainable. Their work involves site investigations, feasibility studies, cost estimation, project management, and collaboration with other professionals such as architects, urban planners, and environmental scientists.